Hi, my name is Jonas and I'm the CEO of Hack.com, an international security company that helps people and businesses recover hacked online accounts. We have now launched the app Don't Get Hacked, a simple service that can help protect you and your colleagues from online crime. After logging in to Don't Get Hacked, you'll see this page. The app's main purpose is to provide you with a weekly security task to help you secure one of your personal accounts or raise awareness of a security challenge. Clicking on my weekly assignment gives me an actionable security task. If I have a Google account, I can choose to continue or click skip to receive a different task that may be more relevant to me. By clicking on organization in the bottom right, I can view all my employees, their progress, when they last completed a task, and their current security level. I can also select an individual employee to see the specific tasks they've completed. To boost engagement, you can use this button to randomly select a winner among active users within your organization, either monthly or quarterly. You can add new employees here by entering their emails. To view all available tasks for your organization, click this button. This will show you all the tasks that you've assigned to your employees. If you would like to customize your tasks, click on this button here. Here you can add new assignments. You can add our default assignments, and you can see the order of the assignments.